Okay, so right now I'm hooked up to my iPad mini Gen 5. Have the latest firmware and software installed. So just going through some features. I'm doing the differences between Android that just got the updates last night. So let's go through safety. Nothing's changed here. Calibration, all this is the same that I found. You go under control. So here it's huge because when it comes to the function button here on Android, you only have this option right there, recenter gimbal. So for tap, now double tap, I have it set to advanced camera, but you can also do toggle live map. So double tap, right? Or you can have that switch to gimbal FPV, or let's go advanced settings. There it is. And you can also have it do auto exposure lock. So if you like the scene, double click and you see on the bottom right, the lock goes on the auto exposure, which is pretty cool. I like that too. Maybe I'll just keep it there. So anyway, so let's go to the pictures, the video. 4K, that's where it's supposed to be at 30K, 30 frames a second. 2K, as it says in the update notes, it's supposed to go up to 60 frames a second, and that it does. And 1080, it's still also 1080p. 1080p at 60 frames a second. 2K, 60, 4K is at 30, which is good. So that happened. When you go to the photos, you're supposed to be able to do a 2-time digital zoom. That you can also. So that worked out too. The compass, that there's a new compass, and there it is right there on the bottom right of this compass. So if I double click, what happened? Oh, that's how it's set for auto lock. Right. So if I go back and I click the bottom right of the map, you'll see an arrow, and then it switches it over. So it's cool because it gives you the attitude. I'm turning the quadcopter left and right here, so it gives you the attitude. So that's pretty cool. I'm turning it left and right, and you can see what's happening here. So that's pretty cool. That's it. That's, as far as I know, that's all I've seen. So now I'm going to switch over to the Android side. Okay, so now this is my Samsung S20 Ultra. So if we go back to the settings, safety, everything's the same there. So here, when we go to control, everything's the same here. Upward tilt for the gimbal, calibration. And so here, the function mode. Click it once, it goes down, just like the other one. But if you click that, you have no other options. Double tap, no other options, same thing. Why they can't incorporate that into the software, no idea. That would be such a simple thing to incorporate. So now let's go into the camera settings. That seems to be all the same. Transmission, dual band, that's fine. About, okay. So let's go to camera settings. Okay, so let's go, we're in photos right now. Here, 2-time optical, or 2-time digital zoom for photos, that's there, that's cool. If you go to video, 4K, 30 frames a second. All right. So here 2K, still only 30 frames a second. 1080p, it goes up to 60 the way it was originally. So still 4K, 30, 2K, still 30. This is supposed to be 60 now. So I don't know what's up with that. That's it. But at least in photo, you have that 2x optical. Now, going with the map, I don't see anywhere else for the map. North. Now, on the iOS side, on the bottom right of the map, here there's just an eye. But there was an arrow here, which is where the new compass was. So here, I don't know. We don't have that feature for Android. Right? So here it's giving you which way you're facing, but it doesn't give you the new compass thing that we're supposed to have. Don't know what's up with that. Yeah, I don't get it. I don't know. Yeah, still get the same thing. I don't know. I don't know what's up with that. It's weird. I don't know. It's not there. So just for fun, let's go to About. Firmware's up to date, and this is Android. Firmware's up to date. Yeah, so I don't know. So with Android, really the only thing we got was the picture, 2x optical. Didn't get the map update because I clicked that, still not there. And we didn't get the video update. Unless I'm missing the whole thing, I don't see it. 2K, so that's supposed to be 2K is supposed to be 60, just like 1080p, and 4K still at 30. So that's it. That kind of sucks. But those are the differences between the two operating systems.